Welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and I'm about to pick a winner for this April giveaway. So this April giveaway went up at the very end of March, and I put a bunch of cool stuff in it here. You can see some of it here. And I said that I was going to pick a winner the day after I hit 250 subscribers. And I'm so excited because it happened really fast. It happened a little faster than I thought it would. But I am very, very happy that there were so many people who showed interest in this, and also, more importantly, that you guys seem to really like my channel. So that's awesome. So I'm about to pick a winner for this, and so I'm going to come over here to the YouTube random comment picker. I've already got the URL for the video there. And I just wanted to make sure you guys knew that the reason I didn't pick it yesterday is that there were tornadoes all around my state. And so I was in a tornado shelter for some of the night. And it would have been very difficult to pick somebody while all of those tornado sirens were out. They actually went off. It was really crazy. Anyway, so we've got the video URL right here. I'm going to filter duplicate users because you can only enter once. And I am going to filter comments based on a specific text. I had told you to use the word April. Okay. I am going to exclude myself because, which is NicheCraft, because I know that I replied to some of you guys and I might have used the word April in my reply, and I just don't want to be picked. That would be kind of embarrassing. So I'm going to hit this button. It's going to tell me how many people entered, okay, or how many people qualified for this. So here we go. There it says 100. Oh, 169 unique comments. Okay, so one of the people that put those comments in is going to be the next winner. Alright, you guys ready? I'm going to hit the start button, okay, and then this is going to start picking randomly, and you'll see it kind of go through some names, and it'll land on one, and that's going to be the winner, okay? So we're going to hit start in 3, 2, 1, go. Lori Sloan. Oh my goodness, look at that. April is my birthday month. Would be great to win. Well, happy birthday, Lori. You did win. Isn't that awesome? So everybody, please congratulate Lori on her win of this awesome giveaway. And Lori, what I need for you to do is send me an email. My email is available both in the description to this video and also as the pinned comment to this video. Alright? Send me an email sometime between now and the next 10 days. I'm going to look at my watch to see what day that would be. That'd be the 22nd, okay? You've got to email me by the end of the day on the 22nd of April, and send me a mailing address where you can pick this up, okay? It doesn't have to be your home address. You can always have it sent to an office or maybe a church or just someplace where you can pick up mail, okay? And I'll get it sent to you, and I'll send you a tracking number too, alright? So, congratulations, Lori. And anybody else who's watching this, don't worry or don't be discouraged if you didn't get picked. I have giveaways all the time, and as long as you keep entering, I'm sure you'll win one of them, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video, for congratulating Lori, and I will see you later on in another video. Bye-bye.